Okay, I'm going to show you how to use the whiteboard tool in Zoom. So here's a Zoom window. I'm pretending I'm the professor and I'm going to share a whiteboard with my student up there named Kilgore. I'm the main speaker and presenter, so I get the big window right now. And if we switch over here, I can show you Kilgore's desktop and what he's seeing. And it's pretty much what I see at the moment. And again, on his screen, I get the big window because I'm the one doing the talking. And when I share the screen, it automatically takes over the big window for both of us. So back to the instructor's window, and down at the bottom, we're going to click Share Screen. And we'll get some options. We want the whiteboard, so let's click that. And then down at the bottom, we can click Share. Okay, when you go to share a whiteboard, it pretty much takes over your screen. You might want to resize the whiteboard a little smaller. It seems to be quite large by default. At the top of the screen, you've got the same general set of tools you had in your Zoom window, and also an option to stop the sharing is the red button up there. I'm going to show you quickly what your student will see when you share a screen. So over here we see the student Kilgore's screen, and it's got the little video previews of the two of us, and he gets a warning that says I've started screen sharing, and an option to double click if he'd like it to go full screen on his side. Up at the top he'll have some view options, and under those will be various sizes to work with. Fit-in window is often a good choice. Okay, let's give the whiteboard a shot. You can't bring images or videos in, but you can create things like an org chart would be a good thing to build with this. So let's go ahead and do that. And it's got a text tool, and you get to choose your colors and sizes and weights. And we can start typing. And we use the selection tool to move things around. And we can add shapes. If you want to draw shapes, you got to pick your color and line weight beforehand. Can't do it after. So here we go, draw a blue box. And let's draw a line under the box. And let's put a name in there, same color as the box. And we're going to draw a circle now. And we're going to change the color before we draw it. And we draw it. And let's put a name in there. Guess we got to change the color before we get started here. It defaults to the previous color apparently. And add a line. And we're just going to keep drawing using various tools that they give us. The remote student can watch this all being built on the whiteboard. The remote viewers are able to annotate the whiteboard the same way. And of course the instructor can see all this happen, and the instructor has editing privileges over all of the graphic elements. Remote participants don't have the ability to edit the instructor's or each other's annotations. And it looks like the remote viewer has added a green check mark to show approval of the revised graphic. There is an option to save the whiteboard as an image file, and if you click that, it will automatically save it and offer to show you where it is. I can see the path to the file on my computer here. When you're all done, you click Stop Share, and the screen sharing stops and you return to the normal Zoom window. And that's really all there is to sharing a whiteboard.